Smartphones are flipping great for vlogging on, and well, I thought when I woke up this morning it was going to be a bit of a sunny day. This smartphone vlogging system from MOVO actually adds to the phone to allow you to do some extra creative things. Like, for example, I have a light in this kit on top of this, and that just gives you a little bit of fill light to separate you from the background. Also, this iVlog kit comes with a wireless lavalier mic, and that's good for whenever you're walking and talking, because your voice is always the same distance away from the microphone then, and that should lead to some really consistent sound. Like, set up your shot and then come towards the camera, explaining as you go that doing different things using different shots in your vlogs will make them more visually interesting. The other really nice thing about using a modern smartphone to vlog on is that you've got all these different lenses that you can use. So I often don't use the front-facing selfie camera, but I'll use these rear cameras, and I'll just switch between the ultra-wide and the wide-angle lens, and that'll mean that you're getting a differentiation between your different shots. And also, if you're thinking of what you're saying as you're walking, you're not necessarily going to have that idea come out in one coherent flow. And using those different shots means that you can say one sentence at a time, and then you can just change the camera, get a different view, and it seems as though you were just talking, but you've switched to a different camera. Something Potato Jet said, that's why I seem smarter than I actually am. So with a few simple additions, a phone can be a really useful companion for making quick on-the-fly videos. And I love making videos on the fly that don't take a lot of time to prepare and to edit.
This kit does have a little spirit level on top, so you can get the shot, get the phone just level
whenever you set it down. So thanks a lot to MOVO for sending this out. I would recommend this to you as a way to increase the capability of your already very capable mobile phone. Let me know in the comments what you think of the sound quality and how you think you would use this if you were to buy this. This is something that I would actually buy for myself if I hadn't been sent it in exchange for this video. So thanks again to MOVO. They do say that the wireless lav mic should work to 60 meters with line of sight. I haven't actually tested that full range, but it does mean that you shouldn't have a problem with any of these creative shots. You're very unlikely to want to sit 60 meters away from your smartphone whilst taking a video. And if you do, best of luck to you. I certainly haven't noticed any disruptions, but do remember it's on the 2.4 gigahertz network, and that's a busy set of channels. So if you're in the place where there are loads of devices trying to communicate wirelessly, you might find some drops in signal. This is the Samsung S20 Ultra, and it's an awesome little camera for vlogging. I particularly like using the different cameras to actually change the camera angle whilst I'm vlogging. And if you come to a place like this, where there's lots of lovely nature to capture, then it's really nice to be able to have those zoom functions. This, which I'm using right now, is the director's view, but you've also got those 4 cameras on the back. You've got the selfie camera, and you've also got the 10 times optical zoom as well. I love the way in the director's view you can change it up and use something like this as well to do a split screen, or you can even do a picture-in-picture where you have just one little picture with yourself in the corner and the front-facing camera. So that can make it very versatile for lots of different applications for making videos on your smartphone. I think that if there's one smartphone that you buy purely for the camera, it's got to be one of the Samsung flagships, hasn't it? Pair it with something like this tripod and wireless mic from MOVO, and you can get really creative shots into your vlogs. And what is more, because it's such a powerful computer, you can actually do all your video editing on the actual smartphone. And I think that's just such a fun way to make videos.